Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can upload documents on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, you're going to find, as you can see guys, the sites that you created on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard right here. Once you're here in the dashboard, if you go to the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections right here. So go all the way down and click on edit site. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this tab right here. So this is basically going to be the editor for your Wix site. Just wait for it to load. And once finished loading, this is how it will look like. Right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need to customize and design your site. So right now, in order to upload documents on Wix, just go here to the left side of your screen. And then here in the top, you're going to find this plus icon. Click on it to add an element. And then here, you're going to find all of these available elements to add. You can either add a text element, image, button, strip, and so on. So go to button, go to documents button, and then here, as you can see guys, you can either choose docs, Excel, PPT, PDF, and so on. So I'm going to choose, for example, the attachment button. And then as you can see guys, it's added to the site. And right now you need to upload your file. Just click on upload media, and then you can click on upload documents if you have the documents on your computer, or you can just drag it and drop it right here. And once you do that, just click on add to page, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.